What's good YouTube, JD here with yet another video for you guys. So one of the most legendary Yeezys, maybe even one of the most legendary sneakers of all time was the Red Octobers. It dropped all the way back in 2014. Yeah, it's already been 7 years since that pair. And since that time, we have seen 100 different Yeezys. However, we haven't yet seen another red pair. But now we finally got one on the Yeezy Foam Runner. And in this video, I will be reviewing the Yeezy Foam Runner in the Vermilion colorway. So what's good guys, to all my long-term viewers, welcome back. And if this is your first time on the channel, my name is Josh. I make sneaker content, sneaker reviews, how to style sneakers, all that good stuff. If you are into that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also follow me on Instagram. I drop a lot of content on there as well. So in this video, I'm gonna try to break down this crazy looking pair and tell you whether or not you need this in your collection. Also, if you have never worn a pair of foam runners before, in this video, I'll be talking about sizing, how they feel like on feet. I'll also talk about the prices that these are going for right now. And as always, I will be giving you guys that on feet look. So make sure you stick around until the end of this video. So here it is guys, the Yeezy Foam Runner Vermilion, Yeezy all in your sofa. These the Red Croctobas. Yeah, I thought that was a better name for these, the Red Croctobers. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have some funnier nicknames. And oh my God, these are really, really red. So when I saw pictures of these, you know, I was hoping maybe in person they will be a little bit more muted, maybe a bit darker red, a deeper shade of red. But no, in hand, yeah, these are a very bright red. Maybe not as bright as those Yeezy Red Octobers, but these are definitely a very, very loud pair of shoes. If you've been following the channel for a while, you already know I love the Yeezy Foam Runner. My sand pair right here, I have absolutely beat these things up. I wore them pretty much every day for 2 months straight in the summer. And that is because, yeah, the foams are just such a comfortable pair of shoes. They're easy to put on, and unlike what a lot of people think, I actually think these look very good. These look very good on feet, especially with longer pants. I don't particularly like how they look with shorts, but with regular pants, I definitely think these look great. If you guys needed some ideas how to style foam runners, I will leave that link up here. I dropped a whole video about that to give you guys some ideas. This is the first very loud and very bright colorway we have seen on the foam runners. So far, we have just been seeing these very tonal, very muted colorways. And that makes the sneaker that much more difficult to wear. It's already a very, very loud silhouette. And now you throw on this bright red color. Yeah, it's not an easy shoe to wear. I want to hear from you guys. Let me know down in the comments, what do you think of seeing bright colors on the foam runners, or do you prefer the normal tonal colorways that we have been seeing so far? So I got this pair in hand and I was like, you know what, I'm probably not gonna wear a pair like this, but just for the purpose of this video, I thought, hey, why not at least try to throw on a fit? Give you guys an idea of how I would wear these. I'm not saying that this is a good fit. I think there's two ways you can wear this. You can either just go all out and wear an all over red outfit, or you can do what I'm doing here, which is try to tone down the rest of your fit as much as possible and let the shoes do the talking. So here I'm just wearing a simple black hoodie, and the pants I'm rocking with these are some Dickies cargo pants. I usually like wearing cargo pants with my foam runners. I like the way they sit on the shoe. If I find a pair, I will leave a link to that in the description. And I also threw on this red trucker hat just to match the shoe a little bit. These hats are cool. They're made by a friend of mine, a friend I grew up with who now has his own fashion brand. Goes by the name of Mère de Dieu. If you guys are interested, I will leave that link in the description as well. But what I would love to see from you guys, especially those of you who are planning to keep this pair for yourself and rock it, I really want to see your fits. So make sure you send them to me on my Instagram at the handle, once again, at JDKick6. I will repost them to my stories. Some of you guys can throw on some really great fits, so I cannot wait to see them. Make sure you send them to me at JDKick6. Let's talk about sizing. Sizing in these is very tricky if you have never worn a pair of these before. So as you may have noticed, the foam runners only come in full sizes. They don't come in half sizes. That does make it a bit tricky for those of you who do wear half sizes in most Yeezys. Even myself, I wear an 11.5 in almost every other Yeezy. But in these, I actually fit perfectly in a size 11. I've tried going with a size 12. It's way too big on me. My heel just slips out the back. So my suggestion to you guys is, if you normally are a half size in Yeezys, then just go down half a size. If you normally are a full size in Yeezys, then just stick with that full size. Don't go down a full size or don't go up a full size. Just stick with your true size. Let's quickly look at prices right now. So prices on these, I'll be honest, they are going for a bit lower than I expected. I know that this is not a color for everyone, so I didn't think the demand would be that high. However, because this is the first red Yeezy we have seen in, like I said, 7 years, I expected there to be a bit more demand for this shoe. But prices right now are hovering in that 150 to 200 range depending on the size, which is not bad for a pair of foam runners, especially when you compare it to any other colorway. I also think the timing of this release, in most of the countries in the world, we are getting into the winter time right now, and this is definitely not a cold weather shoe. That could explain the prices as well. I actually do think by next summer, the prices on these will be a lot higher than they are right now. So if you really want this pair, I would suggest going for it right now. Don't wait around too much. I don't see these dropping much further. But let's wrap this thing up. The Yeezy Foam Runner Vermilion colorway. Are these a cop or a drop? Listen, I love foam runners. They're very comfortable. They're also very durable, very easy to clean. Yeah, I definitely love foams. But this colorway, at least for me, might just be a bit too much. I don't think I actually have the type of wardrobe that goes with a shoe like this. So I'm gonna be giving these a drop, but let me know down in the comments, what do you guys think of the Yeezy Foam Vermilion? And please do not forget to send me those fits. I literally cannot wait to see them. Send it to me on JDKick6, my Instagram. The on feet about to drop right now. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel and for messing with the content. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.